Hi guys, welcome back to Lower Emi TV. So the emergence of popular crossdresser Idris Olarenwaju, popularly known as Bobrisky, as the best dressed female at the Beast of Two Worlds movie premiere held on Sunday at the Circle Mall, Lekki, Lagos State, has sparked reactions amongst Nigerians, and currently controversial singer Portable is taking it personal. Recall that movie producer Eniola Ajao awarded best dressed female and best dressed male to two attendees with the most impressive fashion choices. Bobrisky, who currently identifies as a female, clinched the best dressed female and was awarded ₦1 million. While ex-BBNaija housemate Groovy emerged as the best dressed male with ₦1 million cash prize. Bobrisky, who donned in an all-black outfit with a cape and a staff, beat the likes of Toyin Abraham, Aigbe, Iyabo Ojo, and other female celebrities to clinch the award. Well, when Bobrisky was awarded the best dressed female, Nigerians did not find it funny. They questioned the rationale behind his win, primarily since he was not assigned female at birth. Actress Dayo Amusan, who attended the premiere, walked out after Bobrisky was named the winner. And in a video on her Instagram page on Monday, the actress condemned the award. She expressed disappointment in the judges who picked Bobrisky, which she considered disrespectful to the women who attended the event. She suggested that if there is a need to honor a crossdresser, a separate category should be created for them instead of disrespecting women. Let's hear her out.
I am not happy. Yes. So I went for a colleague of mine's premiere yesterday, and then they said the best dresser is to be picked, one female best dresser and one male best dresser. Don't get me wrong, it could be anyone. Yes, the winner could be anyone, but definitely not a cross dresser. I mean, what's wrong with us? Kilo shewa like, I don't understand it. I cannot imagine the judges, disrespecting every woman that was there.
Also expressing shock at Bobrisky emergence, actress Toyin Abraham questioned the event organizers' decision. Toyin Abraham, in a video that captured her, Bobrisky and others at the event expressed shock that the crossdresser beat all female celebrities and guests to emerge as the winner. She said, Similarly, controversial singer Portable condemned Bobrisky's win. The 30-year-old singer argued that awarding Bobrisky a male meant that the judges were promoting homosexuality. He stated, and I quote, "Is Bobrisky a woman? Doesn't he wear an artificial bum and breast? There were beautiful actresses at the event, but the judges deemed them unworthy. Yet, a male was awarded best dressed female." The Ogun State-born singer criticized the judges for awarding Bobrisky, believing it had set a destructive precedent. He expressed concern that children exposed to such attitude might emulate the path of the crossdresser.
That's why I say they give Bobrisky best female dress of the year for movie. Don't be activist, èèyàn tó ṣèdì máa ń wédu yàn wédu breast. Now all those ladies, fine ladies, wey dey act movie, rí wọn fún laward.
He said, and I quote, "Our children will now imitate Bobrisky, a man who does not possess feminine features, simply because the judges honored him with an award. Those who should be in prison or punished for disobeying religious commandments and the country's laws are being celebrated." The Zazukrina labeled the judges who deemed Bobrisky worthy as a crazy set of people. He warned Bobrisky not to come to Shango Ota, Ogun State, dressed in female attire because he would be dealt with. Then Bobrisky replied Portable, saying, There are some people you shouldn't associate yourself with in this life. Someone like this unfortunately human being, I will not waste my time to reply him never. He has been following me since. I didn't reciprocate cause I refuse to be found amongst animals in human form. Liking someone is a choice, not a must. You don't like me, why then follow me? I, Bob, will not be fine talking to a dirty human. If he was a reasonable person now, I would have responded to him or put him in his place, but he is nothing. So it's best I block him and let him continue backing. Well, Portable just said he only followed Bobrisky because he thought Bobrisky was a woman. Also, Bobrisky later called out Portable saying, Portable, Ogunwankpa your mama, waiting concern me with your life. I resemble your fellow people in the ghetto. Now God go punish you. If you try shit with me, I will take you to where they will deal with you. And you and your death career will end finally.
Bish. My lovers, no, you know that point I just made, you need to see the movie. Yes, so you need to go and see Ajakaju when it starts showing in cinemas from March 29. I'm not chasing clout, I'm not like using it as a promotion or something. I'm just telling you the facts. The announcer of the winner, the person that announced that announced a cross-dresser as a best female dresser, yes, is the Ekweda in the movie Ajakaju. Go and see him and see what he did in the movie. Anyway, I just made my point.
And Portable stormed Bobrisky DM where they exchanged some words.
Olórí burúkú ológo àná àṣìírè èmi já olórí burúkú tó ń gbé kiri ni àbí mi já olórí burúkú tó ń fún lówó ni ayé jẹ́ máa bàjẹ́ ni ayé ìyá ẹ̀ bàbá ẹ̀ ogo yín ẹ máa ṣòfò ni olórí burúkú jàtijàti àṣìírè èmi á gbé ìyá ẹ̀ ọ̀nírí ẹ̀ mọ́ màá gbé ìyá ẹ̀ níbo ló ti lọ ṣèbó gbé ọtí ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ ọ́n rìlíìsì ẹ̀ ni èmi á gbé ìyá ẹ̀ ọ̀nírí ìjàwá ìyá ẹ̀ mọ́ àbúrò burúkú ni ẹ ká ló ń bá fà á. Ó ní jèrè èmi já àwọn ibi tó ń gbé èmi gbé ní pínọ̀kì mò ń gbé lọ Google iye tó ń ta pínọ̀kì ilẹ̀ ń pínọ̀kù ó bá fọ́ra 60 million àbúrò orí burúkú yàrá ìyá ẹ̀ èmi já ibi tó ń gbé ó dàbí ó ṣà ni kò ní dá fáwọn tó ní ẹ kò ní dá fáwọn tó bí ẹ ó ní jèrè àwọn ọmọ tó bí nígbà ọ̀rọ̀ yóò ti ẹ̀kọ́ ó dá sí ọ máa kú ọ máa ṣokú mọ́ ẹ lójú ni àṣìírè olórí.
So guys, what do you think about Bobrisky's emergence as the best dressed female? We would like to know your views and opinions in the comment section below. Your comments are highly welcomed. Thanks for watching and do have yourself